Hello YouTube. In this video I will show you my homemade decapping depriming tool. There's only two different handheld depriming tools commercially available that I know of. The Frankfurt Arsenal Platinum series and the Harvey Universal handheld deprimer. The reason I wanted to have a handheld depriming tool is that I want to do depriming off the press and also outside my house. You can take this kind of tool with you anywhere and make sure you don't get all the nasty residues inside your home. This time I'm in my garage. After I have decapped my brass, I will clean it in my also homemade rotary tumbler. If you show any interest, I'll make a video from that too. As you can see, the design of my tool is very close to Harvey, except this plastic part which acts as a centering guide, so you don't need to manually guide the decapping pin into the flash hole. I hope this protects the pin and makes using the tool faster. Downside is that it is not universal for any caliber. It only works for 6.5 Creedmoor, 308 or any other caliber with the same cartridge diameter. The frame and the handle is made of stainless steel. The cartridge guide and this kind of half moon shaped part is made of plastic. The decapping pin is also made of stainless steel. I know it is not as hard as hardened steel used in real commercial tools, but at least it's harder than regular mild steel. This is how it works. Take the cartridge, drop it into the hole. This one is 6.5 Creedmoor. Apply some pressure with the handle and the primer pops out. I like to pop it straight to the trash bag. The handle has some leverage, so you don't need to use much force. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more of my DIY tools and gadgets. For example, a homemade powder trickler.